Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Friday Night Gab. Welcome to my channel. And I do want to tell you about something very important that is happening this month on my channel. Starting today, December 1st, I am starting my Christmas treasure hunt. This will be the second annual Christmas treasure hunt. So what I'm asking you to do, if you'd like to participate, is keep you a list nearby, a little pad of paper or something like that. Hope you can hear me through this traffic going on here. What I will do is I am showing my advent calendars. I have 2 advent calendars. I'm showing them every day at noon Central Time. And when I show those calendars, I may or may not show something that could be a gift that one of you will win. It will be a compilation of from December 1st through December 25, because both calendars are 25-day calendars. I will have 25 days of possibly, there may be something in that video that will be going into a box for whoever wins the box. And how to win it is you need to write down the products. And it's up to you how you want to do it. You can take a piece of paper and number it 1 to 25, and then say, for example, day 2, I show something and you want to, win it, then you write it down. You don't necessarily have to tell me that it's day 2, but a lot of y'all last year, when you sent the list to me, you did number them. So, that's probably what I would do, would number them, because I think that would be helpful to me. And then also, I have other videos that will be going up, just my regular videos, and maybe a collab here and there. So look for the possibility of bonus items. So between day 1 and day 25, there will be not 25 items, but there will be a number of items that will be very nice and that you would enjoy winning, hopefully. And then also in my other videos that I show for the month, there will be, depends on the video, I won't announce it, but I will tell you when I show something that it's for this giveaway. So I hope that makes sense. How this is going to work, I will also discuss this on Monday as well. So if you have any questions, ask me, and then I'll answer them all on Monday as best I can. I will end, the giveaway actually ends on December 25th at noon Central Time, but you'll have until December 28th, 3 days, noon Central Time, to send me your list of winners, because I know Christmas Day is very busy for most people, and you may not get to watch that video till a day or 2 later. So hopefully you'll have your list going, and then you can just catch the last day of videos. And let me know what's in the box. And the person that has the most right, let me say this properly, the people that can name from day 1 to day 25 all of the products that are the gift items, not what's in my advent calendars. What I say is it will be a gift for this treasure hunt, will get their name put into a bucket or a bin or something, and I'll pull a name out of there, and that person will win the whole shebang. So they'll win all of the items that they have mentioned, because that will be all of the items from day 1 to day 25 from the advent calendar videos. And then if you know any of the bonus items, you will win those items as well. So like I said, ask me any questions. And you do not have to be publicly subscribed. You do have to have a relationship with me. I have to know you. So you have to have been a subscriber of mine by yesterday, November 30th of 2023. I have to know you. If you're not one that comments very much, make sure you know I'm aware that you're here in some way, in some form or fashion. So you won't say anything on the videos. You'll say your usual, hey Mary, how are you? Or this was a good box, or whatever the case might be. Or I like that item that you got in the Ipsy advent calendar, whatever the case may be. Go ahead and say your usual things. Don't say what the bonus items are, or don't say what the items are for the regular giveaway from the advent calendar videos, because then you're telling somebody else what it is, and then they're not watching the video to find it on their own. So you want to be a little sneaky about it, because you don't want to share your list with anybody. You want to win on your own. Okay, so does that make sense? So once I get all the lists by the 28th, then from there I'll pick a winner. And I think that's about it. So if you are interested in this, you're welcome to say I'm interested in it, and you know, but just don't say anything about items, okay? And so start by watching any video that I have put up today. So you want to watch the advent calendar videos for sure, and then you want to watch other videos as well. And so we start off, well, I have a spongelle. So this will be considered a bonus item because it's not in the advent calendar videos, okay? So this is a spongelle. So it is the violet leaf. It smells fabulous. It's beautifully packaged. Look at how pretty that is. It is a flower shape. It does have the hole. It has this string. What you do with this string is you unsnap it and you thread it through. It smells wonderful. And that is our first bonus item. Now, you'll have to watch any other video that I might have posted today to see if there's any other items available. And I hope this makes sense. Like I said, if you have any questions, let me know. And once I pick the winner, you'll have 48 hours to get back to me. And just the usual rules apply. YouTube has nothing to do with this giveaway. And all the products that you will see, I have bought with my own money. And if you have an allergic reaction to any product that I send you, I'm not responsible for that. So please test your skin. If I send you skincare or a sheet mask or something, please test ahead of time if you have troubles with allergies, okay? So I think that's all on that. So my email is marycatherinelovescats@yahoo.com, or you can DM me on Instagram at marycatherinelovescats, okay? And also, it is December 1st. I can't believe that it's December. I can't believe it, y'all. The time's just going by fast. So it's very, very holiday time around here. It probably is around you as well. I hope that everyone's enjoying it so far. I do have some other collabs and giveaways going on. So please look for my ugly Christmas sweater collab. That is still going on until, I think that ends on Sunday. I think that ends on Sunday. And in there is Carol Gardner hanging out with Kim, and Kim's a little of a lot, and me. So you have to be subscribed to all four of us to win that giveaway. We each have done a giveaway, so there's 4 giveaways involved. And then I also have my treasure trove that's always going on, and I believe that's ending tomorrow. No, maybe it's ending today. It might be ending. I might have to. I'll film it in the morning. I'll film it tomorrow. You'll see it soon. And I think that might be it for the moment. There might be some hidden treasures. If y'all might have noticed, I do, I'm calling this the Christmas treasure hunt because my other giveaway is the treasure trove. And then when I do sneaky giveaways, I call them hidden treasures. So sort of, group it all together that way. So that is all I have. I think it's been, I'm home this week and really had a lot of work to catch up at work. And then it was the end of the month and the beginning of the month all at once. That's the way it goes. And tons of work. And I have just gotten a bunch done. And Camille went to the vet to get some more of the little soft paws on her little fingers. And they loved her last time. She every time she's been there, they just are crazy about her. Well, she was so ugly and so mean to them, they couldn't do it. So we'll have to try again another time. And that's really all that's going on with me. I'll put a little maybe video of her at the end where she's sweet. She can be very sweet. Smudge and Blue, still fighting with her. Not getting along. They're not getting along. I'm really thinking long and hard about it, but I really love her. Anyway, that is about it, I think. So y'all take care. Count your blessings. Have a wonderful Friday evening. Have a great weekend. Hope to see you each day with my advent calendars. Hope to see you with my other videos. If you're not subscribed, you know, I notice sometimes I get, say for example, I get 100 views on a video. I only have like 25 thumbs up. So something that I do when I go to watch people that I like, I mean, of course, I'm only watching people that I like, right? Because I like them. So when I go in to watch the video, I immediately thumbs up so that I don't forget, because it helps the channel. It's supposed to help with the algorithm. So if you think of it, if you would do that. And then of course, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And you want to be subscribed, because I know the people that are not publicly subscribed. I know who they are, and I know that they're subscribed to me. So I hope that makes sense. Like I said, I have a relationship with them. I have a relationship with a good many of you. So I want you all to be involved. I want you all to try to win the giveaway. And I'd love for, you know, I love to do giveaways. I love for y'all to win. I love to share my stuff. So y'all, thank you. Count your blessings. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.